All right, so the first thing we're going to do here, I've got a big pot of salted boiling water. We're going to cook our pasta. I just bought 12-ounce package. I'm using shells. I just like the shells. So we'll pour them in the boiling water and we will cook them according to the package for el dente. In this case, it will be 10 minutes. All right, 10 minutes is up. The pasta is cooked to el dente. Now I'm going to pour them into a colander. And rinse with cold water so they stop cooking. And while the pasta is cooling off, we can start on the pesto. Pesto, we're going to start with a full cup of baby arugula. I got it here. We're going to put it into the food processor. I have a half a cup of shelled pistachios. A fourth of a cup of fresh chopped basil. Fourth of a cup of parmesan cheese, shredded. 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon zest. And a quarter cup of the fresh lemon juice. I'm gonna pour this in a strainer just because I know I have some seeds that popped out. So I'll slowly pulsate this and then slowly add in a half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. We'll scrape it down the sides a little bit to make sure we get all those nuts chopped up good. Keep processing until you have a nice smooth consistency. All right, we'll add just a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. All right, I've got a large mixing bowl. I'll pour in the pasta. It's well drained. This is going to make a lot. I'm going to add about another cup of the baby arugula. And we'll pour in our pesto. All right, so we can just mix this all together good. Here it is. It looks like it's going to serve a lot, probably 6 or 8 people. I'm going to cover it, put it in the refrigerator, let it cool off a little bit. But first I want to taste it. Wow, that's really good. The lemon really gives it a bright, fresh flavor, and the pistachios really give it a nice taste too. You can add, I may add a little bit more arugula in here just to make it look prettier. But let's go ahead and let this cool off, and we'll serve it up. But really good. Okay, our salad has cooled off in the refrigerator. Before I dish it up, I'm going to add a little bit more of the grated Parmesan cheese. Looks good. And then you can add sprinkles of feta cheese. My wife, Catherine's not real wild about feta, especially the smell. So I'm going to add some goat cheese. Yeah, that looks beautiful. All right, looks good. So let's give it another taste after it's cooled off. This is really a great summer salad because that lemon just brings out all this lightness and freshness. And I actually really like the goat cheese on top too. Can't stop eating it. Okay, this was very good. This definitely, I'll be making this more often. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there.